Hi, I'm Barry Feynman, creator of the original Scratch Be Gone system, your first aid kit for stainless steel. Today I'm excited to bring you our new product, Granite Stone Rescue.
How is it different from other granite products out there?
Well, not only does Granite Stone Rescue help to remove grease and oils off the surface, it also leaves behind a high-gloss protective finish.
How often should I use Granite Stone Rescue?
Granite Stone Rescue can be used confidently as a daily maintenance product. It will not build up on your surface and it'll make cleanup a lot easier. So now we're going to do a push test to see just how clean this surface is before the use of Granite Stone Rescue. Granite Stone Rescue is a molecular bonding water-soluble product to protect and to maintain the beauty of your surfaces. Now that we've just restored this granite countertop with Granite Stone Rescue, let's try that push test again.
Wow, this looks amazing, Barry. Thank you. It looks brand new.
Well, you're welcome. We purposely designed our products so you can restore the things that matter. And thank you for watching. To check out our exciting new rescue line of products, please visit our website at www.barrysrestoreitall.com. Amanda, let's go long.